Regardless if you are a total beginner or an experienced game developer, Unity is a great choice for making and publishing high-quality games. Right? Hey guys, welcome back to Coding Crate. I'm Paula and today I'm going to talk about the pros and cons of the Unity game engine, who should use it and who should not. So, what are the advantages? First of all, Unity is free. Unless you make a lot of money with it, you won't have to pay anything, but when you're watching this video, you're probably a beginner anyways and don't have to worry about that yet. Another benefit is of course that you can make everything with Unity. You can make 2D and 3D games, and you have a built-in particle system, animation system, and a lot of useful stuff in the package manager, like Cinemachine, which is great for moving your camera. You can even make online multiplayer games with Unity. Also, Unity is for everyone, on both sides. You can download it on all of the 3 most popular operating systems, and you can make games for Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, iOS, PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo Switch. There are several different options for VR. And you also have WebGL, so people can play your game directly in the browser, which is especially useful for demos or game jams. But the probably biggest advantage is that many people use it, and thus there is a lot of information about Unity out there. There are thousands of tutorials and forum posts that can help you with every single bug you have to fix and feature you want to implement. And it is really cool to see how other games made with the same tools as yours have succeeded. 2 billion copies of games made with the engine are downloaded each month, and many of the games I play are made with it too. But now let's look at the other side of things. Like you probably know, Unity isn't open source, which might be a problem for some people. It also requires a pretty good PC or a laptop to run smoothly. Of course, you don't need a huge gaming setup, but if you just want to make a few games on your 8-year-old laptop, it will be a pain to use the engine. The next point directly ties in with the one before, and that is the... Oh, sorry. Just a second. It won't take too long. And yeah. Okay, now, the loading times. Opening Unity, closing Unity, compiling the scripts, hitting play, importing sprites, importing from the package manager, doing literally anything. And you will see one of these little things. Generally, that isn't a huge problem, but in larger projects, the loading times won't get shorter, so keep that in mind when using your engine. Next on the list, there are way too many installations of Unity to keep track of. They release extremely frequently with only a few changes. Each time you open the engine, it tells you that there is a new version, which takes an eternity to install and will probably break your project which you made in the version before. And while I think it's a good idea to fix bugs, there are still some that don't get fixed. Like that one bug having to do with the animator, where sometimes a random error message appears out of nowhere about a problem in Unity's internal scripts, and the only way to fix it is to restart Unity. Let me know if you experienced that too. So, who should use Unity? Simplified, people who want to make games alone or in a small team, who want to learn game development without having to worry about money, and for larger companies who want to make mobile applications. At least that's my opinion. And who shouldn't use it? Well, I won't stop you from using Unity, but if you want to make a AAA open world 3D game with realistic graphics, maybe it isn't for you. There are plenty of other options out there, so try them out. Just see what it looks like to use the different engines, like in this video right here, and you will find the right one for you. Keep of course in mind that this is all just my opinion, and you can choose Unity when you want to. I'm Paula, this is Coding Crate, where I code and create games. Good luck.